Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle. Just added in our stock, we do have the very stylish Volkswagen Taigo TSI Life that does come complemented in the deep black pearl paintwork, really contrasting well with those advanced features. It does come equipped with your 1-litre petrol engine, making it the ideal spacious SUV upgrade for any individual or small families. With plenty of top features all round, including your roof rails just above. You do also have enhanced visibility with your LED daytime running headlights, and of course your 16-inch Everett diamond turned alloys. You do have a power folding and heated door mirrors and parking sensors for added protection, alongside plenty of boot space to house all your travel needs and day-to-day items with an extra storage pocket below. Stepping inside, you will find a full cloth finish for enhanced comfort with your fitted ISOFIX points and central power outlets for added comfort on longer trips. Moving into your front, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel for driver convenience, with access to your digital cockpit and a central touch display screen, providing much needed entertainment all round. You do have a small storage pocket in your central console, dividing your two front cloth seats, once again very comfortable. Moving on to your steering wheel, you will find a seamless control around the vehicle with your cruise control and speed limiter options, alongside your navigation to control around your cockpit screen, displaying all your vital driving data, and of course your audio options or Bluetooth connection. Of course, you do have your travel assist, which will be displayed on there as well. Moving across into your central touch display screen, this vehicle does come with your app connect with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for quick access to all your driving apps and preferred audio, or if you wish, you do have a wide selection of radio stations, keeping you entertained out on the open road and on those longer motorway trips. Of course, you do have your on-screen display of all your vehicle information, so you can easily keep an eye on the overall condition, alongside further safety with your IQ drive and a full parking sensors, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse, so to assist in those tighter parking spaces. Followed just below by your main climate dials, you do have your wireless charging alongside your various power outlets, central cup holders and a small storage pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.